Your contacts are the reason you're emailing, so you need to look after them. You have several ways to add contacts to your database. Whether you want to add contacts one by one, add an entire database you may already have as an Excel file, or if you're just starting out, you can create web forms and embed them on your web page to get a few new subscribers in your database. Firstly, we'll have a look at how to add single contacts. Start by clicking Contacts from the main menu, and using the drop-down menu, select which database you want to add the contact to. Mark the Add Single Contact option. Now click Next. It's as easy as filling in the relevant details and clicking the Add Contact button. The fields displayed will be the fields you set up for that database. It's also possible to add your contacts in a bulk upload process. If you've already got a database elsewhere, such as another email marketing program, you'll need to export it from there and open it in Excel. Hit Contacts again, select your folder and database, and select the bulk upload option. The bulk upload process requires you to import a CSV file, which can be made in Excel. So open your list in Excel and go to File, Save As, and scroll down on the list of file options until you see CSV or comma delimited. You should format your CSV document with the headings in the top row and the values in columns beneath the headings. This is a very important part of prepping your list for the upload. You'll also need to tidy it up a bit, delete those out of place capitals, and make sure email addresses look valid. Stuff like they all have the @ symbol. There's a chance that if more than 10% of your contacts are invalid, the upload process may fail. This file can either be made into a separate database, or you can use it to update and add contacts to an existing database. Since I want to create a new database, I'll click the Create New Database option and give it a name. When you start a new database from a CSV file, the system automatically reads the headings in the document and creates the database fields. This is why it's important to have the headings in the top row. When you're uploading a CSV document into an existing database, you'll need to match the database fields, either in Excel by shifting the columns, or in the system by going into the database fields option and using the pop-up menu, reorder the database fields to match your list. When you choose the option to upload the list into an existing database, you'll be given the fields you need to match in order, just to make life that little bit easier. Click Browse and select your CSV file. Now you have a few selected options, such as the ability to remove contacts with the same email address, use a certain country code for the mobile numbers stored in your list, and choose not to upload people who have previously unsubscribed. The Overwrite Duplicate Contacts option is useful when you're updating your databases. If contacts in your database already have the same field of the contacts in your file, they'll just be replaced. You might want to leave this off if you're adding or merging older databases to new ones, because the old information might replace your new details. Removing duplicate values will scan your document for whatever you left in the drop-down box. If I left email, it will remove any duplicate email addresses. This won't affect your original file on your computer. The country code will add the extension of the country selected from the drop-down menu. If you have international contacts, leave this option unmarked and add the mobile extensions manually in the CSV document. If you need help with any of the definitions, there's a very helpful question mark icon which will bring up any extra information. Click Upload and Insert, and you'll be given a status report on how the upload process went. If the process failed, common reasons may be that you failed to make the Excel file a CSV file, or the email field is missing or misspelled, or there are too many invalid email addresses.